And another box to be opened today. This is a SR850 professional studio reference headphones from Samson. You may not have heard of this brand if you're not into audio. Neither had I for quite some time, but I keep looking at budget gaming gear on Amazon.com, and I found this. This is roughly, I think, $30. So this is a more of an open kind of a headphones. So there is a little bit of sound leakage, unlike the Audio Technica which I have, but because of that it supposedly has a better sound stage, so I should be able to hear enemies move around in games like Overwatch and Quake much better. And I just tested it a little while earlier with some music. It sounds fantastic. For $30, this is really good. The Audio Technica ATH M50X, which I bought like 4 or 5 years ago, it cost me like 11,500 rupees, which is almost $200. So that's quite a lot. So I'm hoping this is good. Okay, so in addition to the headphones, you also have these optional jack. Just two of them. One is kind of already fixed to the cable, and then this can be screwed in on top of the smaller jack. So this is for your studio work, and I guess I'm not going to be using it because I don't have a USB. I don't have a proper sound amplifier. That's about it. Just plug in and play. So I'm going to start using this for gaming specifically. Thank you for watching.